Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Venmo from your bank account. So, let's get started. Once we've added our payment method, whether it's from a bank or a card, we're going to go ahead and click the back button right over here. We'll hit back one last time to return to the main page right here. Now, we want to add money to our account. To do this, go to where you see Venmo balance. Currently, we have $8 here. Yours might be $0 at the moment. We're going to click on Manage, and you'll see an option that says Add Money. Click on that. From here, you can see we have an option for an instant transfer of up to $500 per week. For larger amounts, it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 days. For our example, we're going to choose the instant option. While we have $0 right now, Venmo has a few predetermined denominations, but you can input any amount, even $2.50 if you want. Click on Next, and it'll show you which bank account is on file to pull the money from. If you'd like, you can tap here and change it to a different account. Once you're ready, click Add Now. We'll go back to the original account and click Add Now. Just like that, our Venmo balance has increased to $10.50, meaning that $2.50 has been added to our account. Sometimes it might take a few days for the money to be pulled from your regular bank account, so keep that in mind. It's not always going to be instant, so ensure that the balance is available in the bank or card you've chosen. That's how you can add money to your Venmo account. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.